Alex Pentland, writing in his book Social Physics, says that governments have to stop being part of the problem and become part of the solution. He writes, I show how we can begin to build a society that is better at avoiding market crashes, ethnic and religious violence, political stalemates, widespread corruption, and dangerous concentrations of power, and in which governments are part of the solution rather than part of the problem. I have to say that this is much worse than that. Translating Pentland's own words into cybernetic terms, it means that government is supposed to work as a huge control amplifier for the benefit of the people. However, if the control amplifier is on the wrong side of the control equation, that means that the people have to struggle against their government while at the same time they are funding the government. Would you pay the attorney who takes you to court? Therefore, management cybernetics has a very clear stance that the people's number one problem is bad governance. We know how to organize. The VSM is not that difficult. We just have not found enough critical mass to deal with the real culprit, an out-of-control government. What we also know for a fact is that the Leviathan has evolved emergent properties that prevent any real change from happening soon. In fact, the modern democratic state is suffering from a more generalized malady that is affecting almost all large organizations. The technical name with a sinister twist comes from biologist Umberto Maturana. It is pathological autopoiesis. It means out of control self-production, as in cancer. The biggest problem is how to redesign government so that it serves the people, not itself, not the bureaucrats or the politicians. Government has developed antibodies that oppose the future already at our doorstep. If government were following the viable system model prescriptive structure, it would automatically redesign itself. We can tell that it is social physics' turn to ring the bell loud and clear.